Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how to talk about habits in English. This is important because habits are a big part of everyday life, and knowing the right words helps you sound more natural. We'll listen to a simple conversation, learn useful phrases, and practice speaking together. So stay until the end for useful vocabulary and phrases. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. Let's get started. Hey Mark, I've been trying to build better habits this year. Do you have any habits you're working on right now?
Oh, definitely. I'm trying to wake up earlier. I used to stay up really late and then rush in the morning. Now I'm trying to wake up at 6:30 every day.
Wow, that's great. How's it going so far?
Honestly, some days are good, some days are not. But I heard that habits take time, so I'm trying to be patient. What about you? Any habits you want to change or improve?
Yes, I want to read more. I used to read a lot, but lately I've been spending too much time on my phone. So I started a habit of reading 20 minutes every night before bed.
That's a great idea. Reading before bed is so relaxing. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, it helps me sleep better too. I also want to build a habit of walking every day. Not a long walk, just 20 or 30 minutes.
I love walking too. I usually walk during my lunch break. It helps clear my mind.
That's a smart habit. Do you have any bad habits you want to break?
Oh yes, I drink too much coffee. I used to drink 1 cup a day. Now it's more like 3.
That's a lot. Have you tried reducing it little by little?
Yes, I'm trying. I switched my 2nd cup to tea. It still gives me a little energy, but not too much caffeine.
That's a good strategy. I'm trying to break a habit too. Checking my phone first thing in the morning. It wastes so much time.
Same. I used to wake up and scroll for 20 minutes. Now I try to wait at least until after breakfast.
That's smart. I replaced the habit with something better. Now I drink water and stretch instead.
Speaking of stretching, I'm trying to get into a habit of exercising regularly. Not intense workouts, just something simple like yoga or light strength training.
How often do you exercise?
I try to do 20 minutes every other day. Consistency is more important than doing a lot.
That's true. I heard that habits stick better when they are small and easy.
Exactly. If the habit is too big, you won't want to do it, but if it's small, it feels easy.
Do you track your habits?
Yes. I use a habit tracker app. It makes me feel good to check off each habit.
I love that feeling too. I use a paper journal. Every time I complete a habit, I put a little check mark.
Nice. Do you have any habits related to healthy eating?
Yes, actually. I'm trying to cook more at home. Eating out is expensive and not always healthy.
Same here. I started meal prepping on Sundays. It saves time during the week.
That's a great habit. What about relaxing habits? Anything you do to unwind?
I meditate for 5 minutes before bed. It sounds small, but it helps me calm down.
I might try that. I usually listen to soft music to relax. It helps me slow down after a busy day.
That's nice. Do you have any morning habits you're proud of?
Yes, I make my bed every morning. It sounds simple, but it makes the room look clean and gives me a small accomplishment.
I love that habit. I drink a glass of water as soon as I wake up. It helps me feel awake.
Do you have any habits you want to start next month?
I want to start learning a new language, maybe Spanish. Even 10 minutes a day would be good.
That's a great goal. I want to start journaling. Just a few sentences every day to reflect on my day.
That sounds peaceful. I think good habits make life feel more balanced.
I agree. And even small habits can make a big difference over time.
Absolutely. The key is to keep trying even if you miss a day.
Right. Consistency, not perfection.
Exactly. Good luck with your new habits, Anna.
You too, Mark. Let's encourage each other. Now, let's review some useful vocabulary and phrases from the conversation. Build better habits. To build better habits means to create new routines or behaviors that help improve your life, health, or productivity. It usually involves making positive changes step by step. Example: I'm trying to build better habits by waking up earlier and exercising every morning. Working on. Working on means you are in the process of doing or improving something. It shows effort, progress, or practice happening over time. Example: I'm working on my English speaking skills. Take time. Take time means something needs a certain amount of time to finish, or you should not rush because the process is important. Example: learning a new language takes time, so don't give up. Spend time on. Spend time on means to use your time to do something, usually an activity, task, or goal. It tells what you focus your time and effort on. Example: I spend time on studying English every evening. Clear my mind. Clear my mind means to remove stress, worries, or distracting thoughts so you can feel calm and think more clearly. It's often used when someone wants a mental break or peace. Example: I went for a walk to clear my mind. Break a habit. Break a habit means to stop doing a behavior that you do regularly, especially one that is bad, unhealthy, or unhelpful. It usually takes effort and time. Example: I'm trying to break the habit of staying up too late. Consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly and repeatedly without giving up. It's about staying steady, keeping the same effort, and continuing a habit over time. Example: she practices piano with consistency, so she improves quickly. Meal prepping. Meal prepping means preparing meals in advance, usually cooking food for several days and storing it in containers. It helps save time, eat healthier, and stay organized. Example: I started meal prepping on Sundays, so I have healthy lunches for the week.
Unwind. Unwind means to relax and release stress after working, studying, or doing something tiring. It's about letting your body and mind calm down. Example: I like to watch a movie at night to unwind after a long day. Accomplishment. An accomplishment is something you successfully achieve or complete, especially something that requires effort, skill, or time. It is a result or achievement you can feel proud of. Example: graduating from college is a major accomplishment. Reflect on. Reflect on means to think carefully about something, especially your experiences, actions, or feelings. It's about looking back and understanding what happened or what you learned. Example: I like to reflect on my day before I go to sleep. Balanced. Balanced means having the right amount of different things, not too much and not too little. Example: I'm trying to live a more balanced life with work, rest, and exercise. Keep trying. Keep trying means to continue making effort, even if something is difficult or you fail at first. It encourages persistence and not giving up. Example: learning English is hard sometimes, but you should keep trying. Perfection. Perfection means the highest possible quality, with no mistakes, flaws, or imperfections. It describes something that is exactly the way it should be. Example: he practiced the song until he reached perfection.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.